Hannah and Rico have a really good dynamic, and others are following.
With Rico and Hannah working together is bringing others together on the other shifts.
It shows a real leadership quality. You're really motivating people to get involved and have fun and share the knowledge.
They're influencing people out there to say, this is powerful.
Crest Foods is a dry food contract manufacturer about an hour and a half away from here in Ashton, Illinois. They have, when I say they, Rico from maintenance and Hannah from operations, they have brought together Crest Foods and helped to enhance the culture of collaboration and cooperation across the organization. They had little experience when it came to filming and editing. Now they're making state-of-the-art videos. Now they have a microphone that hooks directly to their iPad, so Hollywood, watch out. After making a video of a pull belt change, an experienced operator looked at the video and was blown away at the simplicity. It was like it was tribal magic. And the maker of the video didn't understand how much tribal knowledge and valuable information that they had. So they have really enhanced the culture of the organization. Operators now, according to Brian, the plant maintenance manager, are doing pull belt changes for fun, after realizing that it's spring-loaded and doesn't have to be threaded. So for impacting the organization and making such a deep impact, give them another round of applause.